Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create multiple YouTube accounts under one email. Sounds right? You can have multiple YouTube channels under one email. Now let's head to YouTube. Now for the sake of this video, I will be using YouTube Chrome. I'll be using the YouTube web because that is where we can find the clear interface, right? So we'll go to Chrome and we'll search YouTube audio library. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. So I'll click on YouTube audio library and I will choose the first link, right? Then I'll open it. Now, if you've never created a YouTube Studio account before, it is very easy. You just go to your Chrome and you search YouTube audio library, and you will now connect the same email you used in that particular YouTube account. I hope that sounds clear, right? Just search YouTube audio library. Once it loads up, there will be something here that you need to sign in from this angle, and you will enter the same email you used on your YouTube, and you can access your YouTube audio library page, right? So here is where you can download royalty videos and free royalty videos and all of that. Now, because we want to create a multiple account, then you now go to settings. Look at, here is settings. Let me zoom it clear so that you can see it clearly. Here is settings. So I will tap on my settings. So when I tap on my settings, I hope you can see it will now load up. You see something like channel here. I hope you see channel. I'll click on channel. And once the channel load up, you will see advanced settings. This is advanced settings, and I'll click on advanced settings. So these are options under advanced settings. I hope you can see that. You keep scrolling till you get to the down where they said other settings, right? Then I will now click on manage YouTube account. I hope you can see manage YouTube account. I can click on manage YouTube account. Then it will now bring me to this page, and this page says channel status and features, add or manage YouTube channel, view advanced settings. So I'll be clicking on add or manage YouTube channel, right? I will now click add or manage YouTube channel, and as you can see where we are now, these are my previous YouTube channel, the first one, the second one, and here is another create channel. Now if I want to add another channel, now I will just tap on create channel and I will enter name. Let me say Mendy TV. You see, that's the username at Mendy TV. Then I can select a profile picture and I am good to go. After that, I'll click on create channel, right? So this is very easy and you can just do it. So I won't be clicking on this create channel because I don't really want to add another channel here. So but you can just follow this process and do the needful. Please, if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also comment so that it will motivate us to even do more helpful videos like this. Thank you and see you on the next one.